Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Whisperer channel. Today we are going to see about the Mamata Machinery Ltd IPO analysis. So we are going to detailedly analyze about this company we need to buy or sell, or what we need to do. So those kind of comprehensive financial review we are going to do. First, the topic financial performance. The key highlights what Mamata Machinery is doing. So Mamata Machinery is a Gujarat-based manufacturer. So they are specialized in the packaging machinery, particularly the plastic bag and pouching making machines. The company has an installed base of over 4,500 machines across more than 75 countries. And they are having the customers around 236 around plus. So their revenue compound annual growth rate is 10.86% from financial year 2022 to 2024. So last 3 years, they have a good compound annual growth rate average. So it's a good company. 10% means it's a good company based upon the revenue. And profit growth as well, it is 60% year on year for the last 3 years. So that's also good in the perspective. The return of equity and as well as return of equity and return of company employed both having at about 20% for the last 3 year average. So it means it's a good opportunity for this kind of company. It will be very rare in the current market. So if we go back to this calculator, for example, if you are investing 1 lakh to this company, if it is guaranteed generated next 5 years the same kind of return, the 23.4%, then you will reach the you will get the 1 lakh will be converted into a 3,18,591 as a compound interest. And if you go with the 10 years, it could be at 10 lakhs. So it's a diamond, like a diamond stock like that. So it's a definitely a blue chip one. So before we were concluding that, we just need to check other factors as well. Like come back to the slides, debit reduction. So I think they have reduced the debit from 8 crore to 3.69 crore. So this is they are doing well in the debit reduction as well. Debit ratio as well, it will be good. So based upon the financial summary, so last 3 historical years split up is here. So the revenue is constantly increased and net profit as well constantly increased. Return of equity as well constantly increased. Return of company employed as well constantly increased. And debit ratio is reduced, constantly reduced as well. They have died. So it means so they are performing well in the market. So come to the valuation, because financials fine, but what's the valuation? How can we purchased means this is the correct price to lock it. So IPO price band they have locked as a minimum 232, maximum 243 per share. They are going to launch. So based upon their market cap 598 crore at the upper price band of 243, the P by rate, the profit to earning, the price to earning ratio is 16.6. This is less than 18x. So it's a good P by E ratio. So actually their industry average is 99x, but they are providing 16.6x. And price to book ratio is 4.x. And industry average is 14.x. So it's completely good valuation. That means it's undervalued company, and this is performing well in the market. So but we have only the last 3 year information only we have analyzed. Based upon that, this company is good. So consideration, what are the strengths is robust financial information. Yeah, we have seen strong return metrics. Yeah, that's also we have seen. effective debt management. Yeah, debt as well, they have reduced. So these three is the main strengths I'm seeing. The risk, what it is, intense competition in packaging machinery market. Yes, there are a lot of machineries there, machinery companies, they are introducing moderate industry growth prospects. Yeah, and as well as this is going for the plastic one. So we are not sure about how the industry will be grow. So from based upon this analysis, what my call? So my call would be that for the long term, we can able to buy, and short term as well we can able to buy. Because when it's seen that valuations and as well as it's financial as well, it is good look. So we can purchase this one. So they are ordered bit lot 61 shares and multiple thereafter. So one lot, it is 61 shares is there. So who are all going to purchase, we need to multiple in the lots only we can able to purchase. We need the demat account to purchase this one, and the offer period from 19th to 23rd December. Actually we have a Saturday and Sunday, we just need to think about that as well. So yeah, based upon that, everything looks good. I definitely go with the long term and short term approach. The IPO is good in my perspective. If you have any questions, please post it in the comments. And if you like this video, like and subscribe. Thank you.